let's add a pretty lavender foreground overlay to this gorgeous Adobe stock image here. We're just going to add some lavender in the front using the LSP Lavender and Sunflower Overlay Pack. If you're new to using these, you can click to watch the main tutorial. This is more of a demonstration. So I'm going to use the actions, but you can also apply by hand by literally dragging and dropping. And let's choose our lavender. I'm going to go for Lavender Scene 2 because this is nice and tall, and you can see this is just dragged and dropped straight over the image. So we can just turn this on or off. You already have that gorgeous depth of field in. I'm going to add a couple more behind, so I'm just going to click apply again. And how about we add one of the side branch sets? Just to really start bringing this in and really kind of, I guess, bringing the focus into our subjects a little bit more. So I'm going to apply again. Now let's apply the same one, but what I'm going to do is just flip this one. So I'm going to hit apply. And let's position this one a little bit here and just change the angle a bit, just so we've got it really curling around, kind of caressing our subjects there. Really easy before and after. Just drag and drop or use the actions, and you can watch the video tutorial that will show you how, and you can watch the other tutorials on the LSP Actions tutorial library on the website. Video tutorials, overlays, florals. You choose the botanicals, the lavender and sunflowers, and you'll get loads of tutorials there. So I hope this helps. I hope you love them. Please post your results in the LSP Actions Facebook group. That's the LSP Actions editing group on Facebook, because I'd love to see what you're doing with these. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.